See the thoughtful materials and creative storage ideas that made these Houzz bathroom photos the most saved of the year. Erin Carlyle 17 hours ago. Houzz Editorial Staff. Writing about the cost of renovation and what it takes to remodel. Former Forbes real estate reporter. Fascinated by cool homes, watching the bottom line. More. This trending now story features the most saved bathroom photos uploaded to Houzz since January 1, 2020. A well-designed bathroom can be a calming place to begin a busy day or decompress at the end of one. And that's what many people needed more than 2020. The following countdown of the 10 most popular bathroom photos uploaded to Houzz in 2020 offers ideas for creating a soothing, rejuvenating space that encourages a hot shower or a long soak. 10. Magnificent mosaic architect and builder Doug Reynolds and interior designer Leah Bolger. Both of Reynolds' architecture used ombre glass mosaic tile lit from above to create a focal point shower in this Glenview, Illinois, bathroom. The homeowners were inspired by a photo on Houzz that features a shower with a recessed LED light and a floating bench, both design elements they wanted in their own bathroom. Read more about this bathroom. 8. Shower with room for two. Designer Katie Reese of Katie Grace Designs in Little Rock, Arkansas, removed a wall and added seamless glass to create this large, luxurious shower with room for two. White and gray marble tiles of various sizes and shapes wrap the stall, creating interesting pattern play. Elongated hexagonal tiles grace the back wall, smaller mosaic tiles cover the floor, and large format rectangular tiles cover the side walls, bench and exterior border. Read more about this bathroom. 7. Navy mood to create a nautical feel for these homeowners in Cohasset, Massachusetts. Designer Janet Shea mixed the shaker-style white oak vanity and wood-look porcelain floor tile with navy shower tile and lots of white. The combination of warm and weathered finishes with crisp, clean finishes keeps the room from feeling cold. Read more about this bathroom. 6. Hard-working blue. The attractive blue vanity and cabinetry in this Phoenix bathroom create a refreshing backdrop that allows the brass finishes, wood mirror and graphic floor tile to pop. The well-balanced material palette by Kitchen and Bath remodeler Mariano Company results in a space that feels welcoming and complete. Shop for vanities on Houzz. 5. Black and white beauty designer Molly Erin Carter of Molly Erin Designs used 3 different white tiles to create an original look in the shower surround of this Sacramento, California, bathroom. A black ceiling and floor delivers dramatic contrast. Read more about this bathroom. 4. Drawers instead of doors. Designer Melinda Mandel gave an elegant dresser look to the vanity in this Santa Clara, California, bathroom by combining drawers, graceful pulls and tapered legs. Marble mosaic floor tile and a graphic hexagonal pattern adds upbeat energy. Read more about this bathroom. 3. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.